What if everything you've heard about Jamaica was wrong? Forget the postcard perfect resorts for a minute, because today we're unlocking the rarely seen Jamaica. It's day 11 of our epic 30-day Jamaican adventure. We're in Trelawny, and trust me, this parish holds some serious magic. First up, I visited Jamaica Swamp Safari Village, and I was ready for some reptilian encounters. I mean, I thought I'd see a few, but there were so many crocodiles, it felt like they had their own special club. Now, I've seen Crocs in St. Thomas before, so I wasn't totally surprised by them. But what I didn't expect was to see birds, deer, and even monkeys chilling out too. It wasn't just about the animals though. I learned so much about their lives, which was pretty cool.
So these are our crocs now, right?
Yes.
Female crocs should lay anywhere from 20 to 80 eggs once a year. And the bird was like 14 inches and the ground it takes 3 months for the eggs to hatch. Crocodiles are cannibal, they don't eat each other. The mother won't eat their one young, but other crocodile will.
We even got to see old clips from the James Bond movie Live and Let Die, which was filmed right there at Jamaica Swamp Safari. And then came the moment of truth. They brought out a yellow boa snake, and I tried to be brave and hold that boa, but my courage packed its bags and left. I chickened out and just snapped a pic of Donald, the tour guide, with the snake instead. Later that day, when the sun dipped below the horizon and the sky turned that deep, beautiful Jamaican night color, things got magical. Since I was staying at the Glistening Waters Hotel, I got to do the Luminous Lagoon tour for free, and this tour did not disappoint. I'd heard about bioluminescence, and I was expecting a faint glow, something subtle, but that water lit up. It was a super bright blue when I got a chance to swim in the water and when the boat was moving quickly. It was like something out of a movie. The photos I took were so bright, but honestly, seeing it in person was even better than the pictures. It was truly a magical experience. I'm already planning my next trip back to the Luminous Lagoon. It's just that good. So what do you think? Ready to explore Trelawney for yourself? Let me know in the comments where we should visit next on this amazing island. And don't forget to subscribe to Uncover Jamaica for more adventures and hidden gems.